Look who's here. Ah, good to see you.
Thank you for picking us up.
Of course, of course.
Chef JP arrived and the sun came out. Salamat po ba?
And then just 115.
115.
Yeah.
115.
Yeah, correct. And without scratches.
So it's like a low taste. So this is.
I want to live that life where I take the truck.
Yeah.
Then the bike is behind the truck, and then the surfboard on top.
Wow.
Then you go to say.
Complete setup.
Yeah, you go to Samar. Camp, surf, bike, van life. One day, someday, that will happen. But for now, let's work hard. My son is my new inspiration. These are from Japan. They're always creating the coloring and graphics of the Yamaha motorcycle for Asian market. Seriously, Japan has big influence on me, on style and way of thinking. Jed, may tanong ako sa'yo. Kung i-enroll kayo natin si Kim sa motorcycle school,
Pwede naman, wala na siya magagawa.
kaso lang yung problema ano nga,
Marunong mag-bike din.
yun na. Lagyan na lang natin ng trainer. I have question because he's always riding motorcycles to go to work, but he doesn't drive.
Only like that.
Only like
Tandem rider.
tandem rider. Can you design special bike that has for baby?
Baby?
Because he doesn't know how to ride bicycle. That's step 1. Step 2, PG1. Very good looking with your snow peak.
Yeah,
right? Right? Naku, mapabudol si Kim!
Ganda yung Rhino walk sa saddle pag bagay.
30. Sabay-sabay kayong lahat?
Yes po, ship.
Nice. Hello. Kumusta? Mayroon tayong refreshments doon ha. Pero mga 12:30 tayo mag-start ng lunch. May drinks doon. Kuha tayong inspiration dito. Ganda rin to. Simple lang, no? Ano? This is for Aaron. What's this for?
Crash guard. So that when the engine, kung sumemplang, hindi magtatama yung engine case.
Okay. So this is wrap, you think?
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's wrapped or painted. Could be painted. I think I've seen this in a show. Or similar build lang.
This is like for the 360 shot, right? Ito yung pinakakargado. Hello, kamusta?
Morning, sir.
Morning, grabe, ganda.
Sir, picture nga tayo.
Pwede ito pang isang linggo, ano? Ito sir, ano to? Ano dito? Anong...
Ito mga damit.
Okay.
Ito raincoat.
Raincoat.
Ito dito yung tent. Tapos ito yung ibang mga gamit niya. Stove, cookset,
And ito, poles mo.
payong.
Payong. Pero happy ka dito?
Yes, sir. Kasi nauna ko nabili yung Pasio.
Oo.
Okay siya kasi city drive at saka classic yung style. Pero ito kasi mahilig ako mag-camp. So mas gamit ko to.
At saka pogi, no?
Iba yung dating.
Iba nga. Iba. Tapos, ito, ang ganda ng datingan nito,
Pinaangat ko na yung ano.
So, teka lang. Binago niya yung muffler mo.
Opo, binago ko na tong muffler.
Para pwede ka lumubog
Sa tubig po, pwede.
At the same time, gumapo rin. Ang angas nito. Pati yung ilaw, pinalitan mo.
Opo, pinalitan ko na rin po siya. Medyo mas malakas siya ng...
Guwapo. Nakikita ko lang to sa mga Pinterest eh. Pag tinype mo, PG1 customized. With this brand, it's not how much money you have. It's your creativity and how you adapt, like what he said. Hey, don't get me wrong, minsan guilty rin ako na pogi first versus function. Pero then, That's why I like learning from these guys because for them, it's really 50-50. Kitang-kita na pag landing nila, chill lang sila, lapag sila. I like it. Ay, tanggal yung puyat eh. Yeah man, it was quite a trip. Oo, medyo back-to-back, pero seeing all this, yung adrenaline mo, yung saya mo, tanggal pagod.
From Thailand. Indonesia.
Oh wow!
Thailand, yeah.
Oh wow! Sorry, we have different parts of Asia here. Is it your first?
Designer from Thailand and Indonesia.
Oh wow! Do you like the Philippine setup?
Yes, yes. Very amazing.
Nice.
And we can feel the vibes.
The vibe? Yeah. I was just talking to Aaron that it's different. Very relaxed.
We know that you had I don't know, it's a hard ba going up here or you're lost? Sakto lang. So, maraming tumumba. Wala. If ever po na magkaroon ng problem, we have a mechanic here. So, just inform us and then they will assist you about your motorcycle.
I'm from Salsa and Chef JP and Marvin. They prepared a really great food and set up here.
We'll eat first and then relax a bit, then play later.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, welcome to Camp Yamaha PG1.
Well, I wanted to get the 60 because
Yo, how's it going, man?
Why are you here?
I mean,
I'm happy to see you.
Tomorrow I'll be in Europe.
Oh wow.
Oh, great. You'll probably be back in Dubai for another month after.
Na-interview ko lang si Shavina. Tama?
Yes po.
Shortcut for Sharon and Vina. So, ang update sa buhay ni Shavina ay na-promote na siya. Sabi ni Will ay ito na yung bagong assistant, hindi ni Will, ni Shavina. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Angelique po.
Angelique, Shavina 2.0. And si Shavina, since na-promote na, baka daw dalhin ni Will sa Europe.
Gusto ko po yun.
Pero wala pang visa, so tsaka na daw. Can't get any better. You're having fun at the same time. You have a good halo-halo. Yamaha, pwede ba linggo-linggo to? But it's really also about the community that they have. Very wholesome, very organic, just very chill, and then yun, may importante lang marami. Importante sa grupo, may mga marunong magluto. Para hindi lang dilata yung kakainin nyo. Na-notice ko rin today, importante sa grupo, meron kang marunong mag-drive. Para matuto ka pa. Hindi kayong mga sweet potato. Si Jed natawa.
Subtle yung banat eh.
Pero alam mo yung feeling na puyat ka, tapos ganito kasi dati sa surf eh. Puyat ka, tapos diretso surf. Yung feeling ko ngayon parang nakaka-stoke eh. Pero and to say na nasa level 1 pa lang ako, wag nyo ako sabihin na magaling na ako ng motor I mean, nagmumotor ako sa city. And then, sabi ko kay Aaron kanina, yung experience ko lang talaga is sa Siargao or sa mga surf spots na pinupunta namin na dirt road. So doon ka lang matututo, tapos karga mo yung girlfriend mo, si Camila at that time. Siyempre, precious cargo yan. So, pero he's teaching me.
Next, Brant?
Brant is teaching me. Where to, di ba may certain lines
yung linya.
And then sabi niya kanina, wag mong bitawan yung rev, yung mga ganun. So, guys, learning as we go
Chef, napalaban ka. Napalaban ka. Medyo technical pala to. Yan, primera lang, Chef. Yan, nice. Ganda. Medyo technical dito, Chef. Baka mahirapan tayo bumalik. Di mahirap yan kasi ang taas niya, no? Go.
Pitik-pitik lang.
Pitik-pitik lang. Up. Yan. Ay, ganyan na mangyayari sa kanya. Halimbawa na ano ka, dahil malambot yung likod mo, uhukay lang yan, mas lalo ka mahihirapan. Yan, nice. Nice, Chef, nice. Balik na konti, isa pa. Kaya pa yon, pitik-pitik mo lang. Yan, nice. Okay. Okay. Nice. Sige. Basta balik pag ano, yan, nice. Chef. Go, Chef. Papawis, no? Yeah.
Pwede, no? First pa rin ako.
First pa din. Dun ka lang muna sa first. May ugat dyan. Go, Chef. Ano? Konti pa. Makukuha mo na eh. Yan o. Yan. Yan yung angulo na yan.
Second ko.
Second. Primera. Yan! Shit! Sorry, sayang. Ang isa sa mahirap kasi dyan, wala siyang clutch. Yung pinapagawa ko sa yung second to 1, ayun yung parang magsisilbing clutch niya. Kaya meron siyang power ulit.
Kailangan ko ng halo-halo. Grabe. Parang maliban sa ensayo, problem solving, no?
Ganun siya, Chef.
Tapos, it's quite humbling. Kasi nature to eh.
Yan! Pwede na lang.
Tumigil ako eh.
Mahirap talaga siya. Malalim.
Okay. Call a friend tayo. Hindi kaya. Tapos mamayang gabi, i-review natin to. Wow! Galing. Galing, galing, galing. That's how you do it.
So kasi matignan mo, iikot lang siya dyan. Sa ganun.
Okay.
So, kailangan mo siya minsan ng ano.
Doon muna i-second.
Pwede rin yun, pwedeng diskarte yun.
Okay. Gets. Okay. Try ko nga.
Nice! Nice!
Tara.
Sige.
Sunod ka lang.
Oh, sige. Kaya akitin ka na lang. Nice! Galing.
Oh, this is light work, baby. We're gonna U-turn at the end. No, we're gonna U-turn here.
That was fun. Wow. Iba yung feeling. Wow. It's so liberating, fun, problem solving, but at the same time, extremely humbling. Because hindi naman lahat na bato pantay eh. Hindi naman lahat na bato pareho yung size eh. Tapos, ini-imagine ko kanina kung kumakarera ka, grabe pag isang konting mistake ka lang, lipad ka. Pero so kanina anyway, nagko-cruise lang ako and wala, parang wow, ang sarap. Alam ko hindi matutuwa yung asawa ko sa susunod kong sasabihin. Pero parang naisip ko na siya kasi this is 115cc, right? So pwede si Finn dito, yung anak ko. Camille, matagal pa naman to. Camille, this is 10 years from now. Malay mo, baka spaceship na. Yung PG-1. Anyway guys, isang ikot pa tayo. Hindi, totoo, I'm serious.
Yeah, go.
He's back in one piece naman.
Believe na talaga ako dito kay Shavina. Aba, may pa-tandem back ride shot. Kaya na-promote ka, no? Tara na. Sige na, paalam kita. Ayan. Ito, nagpapaalam. Tingnan natin paano siya magpaalam. Tingnan natin.
Fun!
Yeah. Woo! She wants to share the fun.
Look at her. She's FOMO. She wants to go now.
Will you let her go?
Yeah. She drives me around. Yeah.
Go!
Tara, can we watch the sunset together? I'm serious.
Dude, I want this bulletproof 50 Cent outfit, dude. This
I'm
is cool.
so happy.
Dude,
right?
this is so fun.
It's stoked. Like that feeling.
Yeah.
When you catch a wave, you're like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Pretty similar.
Bili kayong dalawa. Bili akong dalawa. Tapos lahat tayo may
Yeah,
motor.
throw away whatever motorcycle you have right now. She's actually a motorcycle enthusiast.
Yeah.
Like her and her boyfriend build motorcycles.
Really?
So this is like she's so excited for this event.
Oy, Gucci-san, we have new contract to sign. Come on, let's go. Para makita ni Gucci-san na marunong ka, baka sabihin lang.
Hindi nga, sir.
Yeah, go.
Wow, that's what
For her Tenere 700.
Wow, see, that's why she, Aaron, that's why she got promoted. She asked her boss twice. Saan tayo pupunta?
Alam mo eh.
Ba't may... Ang tanong ko lang naman is saan tayo pupunta?
Teka, yung
ba gusto mo?
yung guide ninyo tawagin ko.
yung jowa ko, Cheris. Aawitan ko siya.
Ha?
Aawitan ko siya.
Yan.
Ibigay mo na ang aking Christmas bonus. O, diba, sir?
Tara.
Tara po.
Yung mga kusinero ko dyan na nagmumotor, gusto ko rin matry nila to para ma-feel rin nila yung pinifeel natin ngayon. I mean, you can see in every setup of different. All different. It's inspiring. And it's I agree with you. Remember when we had a pre-prod meeting and then I wanted to customize the bike right away and then Gucci-san said, no, try it with just the base model first and then you go from
Let's
there.
get the inspirations.
Correct.
Good.
Yeah, I completely agree. Okay, I'm gonna go for another round. It's
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
It's like
we love to see it.
It's like you're in Disneyland. Okay, mom, one more round. Last ride. Okay, this guy he looks like okay, I'll follow him.
Okay.
So we have chicken and pork adobo machang. So we have glutinous rice cooked over adobo sauce, fried garlic, spring onions, boiled eggs, pati egg yolk. There you go. Tapos top din siya with the adobo sauce.
Enjoy. Sabi yung ramdam mo rin yung saya nila eh.
Oh, chef, goods ka na, chef? Goods na.
Di ba? Guys, may merienda naghihintay ah.
Ay, sabay-ikot pa tayo.
Sa Zealandia. Susupply yung baking product.
Pero nilalagyan mo to ng mga mga gamit mo sa kusina.
Yes po.
Ano yung karga? Ano yung meron dito?
Ay, yung top box lang po. Punong-puno po yun ng mga ingredients. Mga ingredients, tools po. Then,
Kutsilyo, kutsara, gano'n. Mixer kaya?
kaya naman po, nakargahan ko na po.
Naisip mo na ba gumawa ng tinapay sa camp?
Plano ko sana siya po. Pag nag-solo camping na yun. Iba-vlog ko yun.
Or pwede mong gawin, example, box, puro tinapay lahat. Tapos dito sa gilid, sangkap sa sandwich.
Oo, yun sana siya.
No? Nagutom tuloy yun. Pagkatapos, pag gusto nyo magpatunaw ulit, sakay lang kayo sa bike nyo. Tapos balik na naman kayo. Somewhere G, right?
Yeah.
Kuya Kim.
Yeah.
Lahat sila.
Sobrang tagal nila.
Yung feeling na stove blow.
You know, right? Yeah.
Puro ako tayo eh.
Isa pa akong round. May only ticket kasi ako.
That was a nice trail. Perfect for this bike.
No?
Yeah.
Are you really?
My favorite one was going back. May parang pakanan na parang berm.
Tapos may akyat.
Yeah, yung
Actually, pagod na ako mag-tour guide.
that was fun.
Yung feeling ko parang pumasok akong Disneyland. Tapos ayaw ko, sinasabihan ka ng nanay mo, uwi na tayo, last ride na lang. Pero, ang difference lang, wala dito yung nanay ko. Sabihin niya, Aaron, take 20, let's go. Gusto mo 50 pa yun. Wag naman.
Wag na. Nafe-feel mo na nga yung pagod.
Ay, sarap ng tulog na ito mamaya.
Oh, chef.
Ito yung event na kala mo mapapagod ka kasi yun nga, wala kang tulog, gagaling ng biyahe. Pero baliktad eh. Ako yung napapagod sa sarili ko eh.
Chill din, di ba?
Gusto ko to. Kailangan may club rin tayo.
Ready? 1, 2.
Cheers. I was asking them, should we cancel or wait? Wait, okay. You cannot go home tonight. You have to stay. We email Japan now, tell them you stay till Tuesday. You want a drink? Rum? Yes, that's a yes. When someone thinks for 1.5 seconds, that's a yes.
This is our kitchen. Supposedly earlier our kitchen was over there. Now it's become table side. You're in the chef's table.
This is the best spot in the house.
The chef where you can only see his beautiful lips and beard.
Quality.
I will, yes.
Okay.
Kasi usually, pag asara kami ng vlog, tatanungin na kung kamusta yung experience nyo today. Nandiyan naman kayo lahat. Kamusta experience nyo today? Sige yan.
Subscriber nyo ako parehas. Actually, pinapanood ko lang kayo sa YouTube pala.
Si Aaron?
Oo. Siya din, nagtakadang siya. Kayo, gustong-gusto kayo sakyangan nyo. Ayan. Eh, ngayon na nakasama ko kayo, wow, ganito pala yung feeling. Kahit umulan, sarap. Banat. Yun.
Maganda yan. Plakpakan natin yan.
O, tagay!
How's my experience? It's good.
Why?
Because first time ko kasi yung ganito, so ayun.
English daw, English.
English. This is my first time. And the experience is very,
Shot brother, kulang sa shot
brother. No. It's very adventurous and exciting. That's why, and I was shocked because Chef is here. A while ago, Will is here, and yeah.
Sino? Kuya Will?
No, Will Dasovich. So yeah, I was surprised and excited and everything, and now I'm tired.
Thank you.
Lahat, pagkain, mga kasama, lalo nga Chef JP yung nagluto. Sobrang sarap at great experience. Saludo man ako noon pa man, Chef JP yan.
Pero yung PG1 maganda, no?
Sobrang ganda ng PG1. Sobrang tipid.
Go, Ninong Rai!
Yes!
Hindi, yung pag dito kayo, side view, Ninong Bay. Parang Humbay na, Ninong Ray at Ian. Yung PG1, parang bata. Parang masaya ka na hindi mo alam bakit. Hindi yan ad.
Hindi ba lahat?
Oo, hindi yan ad.
Thank you, Chef, sa lahat.
Ang saya ka. Ito yung sabi ng Yamaha kasi mangyari eh.
One, two, three, sabay! Okay.
Uy, okay. Thank you. Sarap.
Sobrang sarap.
Always embrace one another. So again, yun lang. Maraming salamat again. And then please be safe going back home. No? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you again. Thanks so
Bye-bye.
much.
You're riding back?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ride back to the
Did you have fun?
warehouse. Yeah, of course. Especially the hood.
Did you have fun pushing?
Not open the door. Yeah,
Take care. Ride safe.
Thank you.
Kagabi, walang katapusan yung problema, no? Una, ganda-ganda na ng setup nyo. Ganda-ganda na. Tapos biglang sabi ni Lord, buhusan ko kayo. Pak! Lahat nakatulala. Sila unfazed. Parang yung makeup nila parang hindi lang nagalaw eh. Natalsikan lang ng malakas na ulan eh. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung service. Water. Oh, sa ilang beses na kayo gumagawa ng ganito?
Maraming beses na, chef. So, sanay na talaga.
I guess yung pinaka-essence ng hindi madali pero sobrang saya na event na to is the spirit. The spirit from our team na parang unfazed and wala lang, tuloy-tuloy lang yung serbisyo. And then yung spirit ni door opener. Siya kasi, ang saya lang talaga nila eh. Lahat na problema, tinatawanan nila. Actually, dalawa lang yan eh. Magiging stress ka at parang madamay mo pa yung iba. At yung energy ng lugar maging mabigat. Same rin doon sa taas, yung na-stuck up, magiging, actually yung driver stress eh. Eh syempre driver siya eh. Pero yung 20 na tao na sumugod at tumulak, at yung isa ay nagbukas ng pinto, yung di ba sabi nga ni Aaron, it's the spirit talaga eh that made it fun. And spirit / perspective / mentality. Hence, you know, that's why it's a chill bike. It makes you happy. PG1. Add yan.